Hi everyone, it's Sue and welcome back to Discovering the Art of Living. Now if you're new to my channel, click on the subscribe button below as well as the bell icon to be notified when I upload new content. So last time I did one of my repurposing multi-seasonal crafts where I turned a cute little Easter pink truck sign into a St. Patrick's Day red truck sign. So if you missed that video, click on the link above and I'll show you how to do it. I also introduced my fun Easter egg hunt for all you subscribers. The 12 episodes before Easter will have a little hidden Easter egg in them. So you have to watch the video all the way through because these little Easter eggs will just appear and they have a letter of the alphabet on them. You have to write down the letter of the alphabet, keep track of them, and by the end you'll be able to unscramble the letters and come up with a secret password that you can only share the answer with in the comment section below on Monday, April 13th, not before. If you are correct and you are the first person to comment the right word in the description box on that date, you will get a beautiful watercolor painting and some watercolor cards made none other by me as a way of saying thank you to you. So when I started this channel, I wasn't really sure the direction that it would take. I do enjoy doing the DIY crafts and I'm going to continue to do that, but I also realized I really want to focus on my art skills, my painting and my drawing, and I want you, the subscribers, to help me along with that. Encouragement, give me some tips, let me know if it's something that you would like to learn as well. So every Friday is going to be Fine Art Friday, where I dedicate that episode to acrylic, watercolor, pastel, different forms of painting and drawing. So today I am going to start a little series called Inspired by the Masters, where I am going to try to recreate famous paintings by the masters of our world. Now they might not necessarily be exact replicas, I'm not really into forgeries, but they're my interpretation of, and I don't really like to use a lot of oil paints, so mine will be mainly acrylic and watercolor. So today I'm going to try to recreate this beautiful Renoir painting. So if you want to see how I did it, let's get started. So since I was going to start doing a lot of paintings, I thought I would try to conserve space and use some multimedia paper rather than canvas for this project. Now I will put a full list of the acrylic paint colors that I used in the description box below, but feel free to do any colors that you like, whatever inspires you. So I was trying to recreate the brush strokes that were visible with the oil painting by putting these coarse strokes in with the acrylic paint. Now sit back, relax, enjoy the music, and see what I came up with. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments section below, and don't forget to look for the Easter egg. See you next time on Discovering the Art of Living.